Hello putties, how are you? I hope all you are safe at your home. This is the second standard science class. The lesson is animals around us. Okay, first we have to see the learning objectives. Domestic animals, farm animals, pet animals, wild animals, water animals and birds and their list. We are going to discuss this topic in this class. Okay. Listen children, have you seen some animals living in your surroundings? Yes. What are the animals have you seen in your surroundings? Can you say? Very good. Cat, dog, donkey, goat, sheep, horse, chicken, etc. Very good. These animals are living in our surroundings. Where do they live? They are living in our surroundings. Okay. Lion, tiger, elephant, cheetah, and camel, zebra. These animals are living in the forest. Where do they live? These are living in the forest. They are not living in the surroundings, okay, but they are living in the forest. Some animals like fish, crabs, turtles, sea turtles, whale, etc. These animals are living in water. Okay, where do they live? They are living in water. So, these animals are of different kinds. Okay, so let's discuss about the domestic animals now. What are domestic animals? Animals which are live with us are domesticated by us. Us are called domestic animals. Okay, next. Animals which are live in the forest or jungle. Or jungle are called wild animals. Okay, animals which are live in water are called water animals. Okay, please listen. What is this? This is the farmer's house. Okay, what do you see in this picture? Yes, you can see some animals in and around the homes. Very good. They are the domestic animals. Okay, can you see some animals? What do you see in this picture? See, horse, dog, hen, cow, ox, lamb. These are the domestic animals. Okay, they help us in several ways. So we want to take more care on them. Some domestic animals help us in the farm. They are called farm animals. Let us see about the domestic and farm animals now. Okay, it is the cow. Cow gives us milk. Its waste is used as a manure. What is manure? Manure is organic fertilizer which is used for growing crops. And what is biogas? Biogas is a type of biofuel that is naturally produced from the decomposition of organic waste. Organic waste such as animal dung. For example, cow dung. Okay, do you know the meaning for the biogas? See chalo, biogas is a type of biofuel that is naturally produced from the decomposition of the organic waste such as animal dung. For example, cow dung. Okay. Mostly biogas is used for villages because they are rearing farm animals in the farm. Okay, they are using biogas for cooking and lighting. In townside people, they are not using the biogas because they are not rearing any farm animals. Can you understand? Okay, now we will see some milk products. We get some milk products from the milk. What are milk products? See chalo, we are getting some products from the milk. They are called milk products. For example, cheese, curd, butter, ice creams and milk sweets. These are the example for the milk products. Okay, so the cow is useful animal. It lives in a shed. Its young one is called a cow. I understand. It is the ox. It is helps to plow the field. It also lives in the shed. Its young one is called a cow. Okay, next one is horse. It is domestic animal. Okay, horse is used to pull carts and for riding. Its young one is called a foal. It lives in a stable. Okay, it eats grass, hay and gram. It carries the loads and carries the people on their back. It is next to the dog. It is the friend of man. In some countries, they are using horses to plow. Okay, do you know one thing about the horse? It can sleep both lying down and standing up. I will write the point. Horse can sleep both lying down and standing up. Okay, which animal can sleep both lying down and standing up? Horse. Very good. Next, we will see some pet animals as well as the farm animals. Okay, some domestic animals give us food items like milk, meat and egg. First, we have to see about goat and sheep. Goat gives us milk, meat and skin. Okay, its milk contains vitamins, especially vitamin A and fatty acids. It contains contain proteins. It is good for, it gives strength to the muscles. Its milks contain calcium also. It is very good for bones and teeth. Its young one is called king. It lives in the shed. Okay, next one is sheep. It is a sheep. It also lives in the shed. Its young one is called a lamb. Okay, it is used, it gives wool and meat. Wool is used to prepare woolen cloths. Okay, for example, sweaters, gloves and shawls. These are the cloths we are making from the wool. Okay, when do we wear woolen clothes? We wear woolen clothes during the winter season. Why do we wear woolen clothes? We wear woolen clothes to keep our body warm. Wow. Can you understand about the goat and the sheep? Okay. Next, we have to see about hens. Okay, what is this, Kuti? It is the hen. Chicken. Otherwise, we can say chicken. Chicken gives us egg and meat. Its waste is used as a organic fertilizer, such as nitrogen. Okay, the male chicken is called rooster or cock. The female chicken is called hen. Young chicken is called chicks. Group of chickens are called flock. Okay, country chicken has more protein. Do you know meaning for the country chicken? In Tamil, Natukoli. Okay, it has more protein. Compare than broilers. Country chicken is good for our health. So you should avoid to eat broilers. Okay, this is the duck and this is the turkey. They also reared for meat and egg. Can you understand? Okay. Next, we will see some pet animals. What are pet animals? Animals which are live with us and share our lives. These animals are called pet animals. Okay, we love pet animals very much. They also love us. We play and feed with them. If they fall sick, we want to take them to the veterinary hospital. Kutis, do you have pet animals in your home? Yes. What's your pet animal name? Pinky. Very good. I also have pet animals in my home. My pet animal name is Taya. Shall we discuss about two pet animals now? Okay. What is this? It is the cat. Where do it live? It lives in our homes. Cat is called kitten. What's spelling for kitten? K-I-T-T-E-N, kitten. Okay, what is this, Kuti? It is the dog. Yes, it is the faithful animal. It lives in the kennel. What's spelling for kennel? K-E-N-N-E-L, kennel. Its English is called puppy. It guards our homes. Okay. Okay, chalo, we will see now wild animals. What are wild animals? Animals which are living in the forest. Forest or jungle are called wild animals. Kuti, can you say some example for the wild animals? Yes, very good. Lion, tiger, elephant, cheetah, wild boar, bear, zebra, etc. Okay, we will see some animals now. It is the lion. What is this, cutie? It is the lion. Lion is the king of the jungle or forest. It lives in a den. Its young one is called cub. Okay. Your male lions have man. What is the meaning for the man? See, it has long hair on the neck. That is called man. Female lions do not have man. Female lions breed, hunt and raise their lion's cub. Okay. Next animal is tiger. See this children. What is this? It is the tiger. Okay. See, tiger is the national animal of India. Okay, which is our national animal of India? Tiger. Very good. It has black stripes on its body. Are you seeing the black stripes on its body? Yes, it is the black stripes. Okay, its young one is called cub. Its home is called lair. What's spelling for lair? L-A-I-R, lair. Some tigers are white in color. See here, this is somewhat brown color. See this tiger, it is white color. Okay. Next wild animal is elephant. Elephant has long trunk. Okay, it has two big ears. Its young one is called cow. Asian elephants have tusk. These two tusks. Tusks are modified in the form of teeth. Okay, it likes to play in the water. It is a herbivore animal. What is meaning for herbivore? Plant eating animals are called herbivore. Okay, its young one is called a cow. Okay, next we will see some animal facts along. See, what is this? This is the snail. Okay, it is the slowest land animal. What is this? This is the cheetah. It is the fastest land animal. Okay, what is this? Yes, it is a giraffe. It is the tallest land animal. Okay, shall I ask some questions? Which is the fastest land animal? Cheetah. Very good. Which is the slowest land animal? Snail. Which is the tallest land animal? Giraffe. Very good. Next, we have to see the water animals. What is it, children? It is the pond. Very good. I will explain first about the water animals. What are water animals? Animals which are live in water. Water animals are aquatic animals. Okay, look at this pond. Are you seeing some animals in the pond? Yes, what are the animals in the pond? Fish, turtle, frog and crab. These animals are living in the pond. But some animals like whale, seahorse, shark, sea turtles. These animals are living in the seas or oceans. Okay, Sepa, frog and turtle live in both land and in water. What are the animals that live both land and in water? Frog and a turtle. These two animals are amphibians. Okay, these two animals belongs to the amphibians family because they can live both in water and land. Do you know one thing? Young one of fish is called fingerling. What is that? Fingerling. What's the name for fingerling? Fingerling. Fingerling. It is a young one of a fish. Next, young one of frog. Frog is called tadpole. Have you seen the tadpole? Yes, it looks like a fish, but it is not a fish. It has tail. If it grows, the tail will disappear within 1 or 2 weeks. After, it will grow into an adult frog. Okay. Listen to children. What is this? These are the birds and their nest. It is the weaver bird. It is the parrot. It is the owl. Now listen. Each bird's nest looks different, isn't it? Very good. So birds use thorns, sticks, fiber and cotton to build their nest. Such birds like owl, parrot, woodpecker, they live in the holes in the tree trunk. Called hollows. What's spelling for hollows? Hollows. Hollows. Okay, see here, it is the parrot. It lives in the holes in the tree trunk. This place is called a hollows. This is the owl. It also lives in the holes in the tree trunk. That place is called a hollows. Okay. See this bird, Kuti. What is this? It is the cuckoo bird. It does not build its nest. It lays its eggs in the nest of other birds. Okay. Okay, Kutis. See these hard words. Manure. M-A-N-U-R-E. Manure. It is meaning for animal dung used for fertilizing land. Okay. Tusk. What's spelling for tusk? T-U-S-K-S. Tusk. A long pointed teeth like elephant. Okay. It is a man. M-A-N-E. Man. Long hair on the neck of the lion. Already shown in the picture, no? Yes. It is a layer. What's spelling for layer? L-A-I-R. Layer. It's the home of tiger. Okay. Hollows means a hole. Listen this video and write answers in your notebook, Kutis. What are domestic animals? Animals which are domesticated by us are called domestic animals. Second question is, what is biogas? Biogas is a type of biofuel that is naturally produced from the decomposition of organic waste such as animal waste. For example, cow dung. Okay. Third question is, which bird does not build its nest? Cuckoo. Name two animals live in water and on land. Frog and turtle. Okay, T-U-R-T-L-E, turtle. Which animal can sleep lying down and standing up? Horse. Okay, Kutis. Today we have discussed about water animals, domestic animals, wild animals, birds and their nest. Thank you.